welcome back to another interesting video. So today I'm going to show you how I make bread. So the ingredients that I have here are all-purpose flour, yeast, cooking oil, sugar, salt, and some water. I also have an extra flour, about a half a cup for kneading. I'll leave the measurements of the ingredients in the description box. So I'm going to mix the dry ingredients first. So I'm not going to put the yeast together with the salt. So I'm going in with the wet ingredients. I'm not going to pour in all the water. I'm going to pour the water bit by bit. So for bread, you really need to knead it. So I'm going to knead this dough until I get the right texture. For you, you can decide to count the turns that you are kneading it. So you'll need like 100 turns for the dough to be ready. So let me knead this dough off camera, then I'll be back. My dough is ready. As you can see, I'm going to oil the dough. Okay, now I'm going to oil this container where I'm going to place the kneaded dough for it to rise. I'm just using the normal cooking oil. So I'm going to cover this dough, the container where the dough is placed, and wait for it to rise to double in size. That will take about an hour, 45 to an hour, for it to rise. I'm going to wait for this dough to rise, and then we come back and do the next process. The dough has risen. So I'm going to divide this dough into two. I'm making 2 loaves. So I've already oiled my pan. This is where I'm going to place this one. So I'm covering this one. I'm going to wait for it to rise again, but not double in size. At least rise until this level. It should measure the same height with the bread pan before I put it inside the oven. Okay, now the bread has cooled off. I've taken it out of the bread pan, and I've applied some margarine on top. So let me show you how it looks. Okay, you see. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next video, bye, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Let us discuss on this.